Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Toluwakemi. Thank you so much for being here. Alright, so in today's video, I want to show you how to create a YouTube channel for yourself with your phone. All you need to do is, make sure you have your Gmail account ready. So this is your Gmail account, that is good. After you've sorted that out, all you need to do is go to your YouTube application on your phone. Then click on that button. It should bring about different options. Now you need to go and search for the Gmail that you want to use to open your channel. Now if the Gmail, for instance, my Gmail is too tall, so you can see here it says no channel. All you need to do is click on tutor. When you get to tutor, it's going to open up free, like you can see different videos already. Now you need to create your own personal channel. All you need to do is click on that box, then come to your channel. When you get to your channel, you can put your picture, you can put your name, you can put the name you want. Let's use tutor, and then let's put a picture. Take a picture from your library, and I just put a beautiful picture that you look good in. Okay, I'm going to put this picture for the main time, and I'm going to just save it, and then boom, can you see? Create channel. In no time, I literally just created a channel on my phone.